emergency?
115 Dana Avenue. There's a... Listen, if y'all... Like, I need someone to come deal with this drunk. He's torn my whole house, my whole yard up. I'm not letting him in. It's my son. If y'all don't come take this dude, I'm going to put a bullet in him.
Okay.
He's a 300-pound bully.
Hold on, caller. First of all, please do not make the cut down before
I'm blowing him back out of it. He's breaking everything off my house.
What's going on?
115 Dana, come get these drunks. He's tearing my whole house up. He's turning off my windows out. Y'all come get him if he makes it to the store. It's my son, but if he makes it to the store, I'm putting a bullet in him. So y'all come deal with him or I will.
Ma'am, please don't make threats in a recorded line. Is he trying to get through? Okay.
Fucking crazy.
And 191, looking for you guys for the state, coming in at 115 Dana. Caller said her son is banging on the door, trying to get in, also banging on the window. Then saying if he gets through the door, she will put a bullet in him. Looks like she hung up and no answer on callback. If you can copy that.
Hey, what's your name?
Go.
My first name, Mark. 194 code 47.
192, same mark.
Central and Vaughn.
I was done very Central and Vaughn. And I guess we pulled up the car off and started that way.
We're gonna need a medic.
Okay, I'm not getting that intersection.
Central and Vaughn.
You okay? Okay, go sit down.
Copy.
Hey, buddy.
Actually, clear 9101 stop. You know, get you the cruise remote.
Oh God. Oh God.
Okay. You breathing, dear.
Oh, come on.
You okay? Hey, come on. Keep breathing. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. You okay?
Come on.
Keep breathing.
Come on.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Breathe, buddy.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Okay? Come on, buddy. Come on. Breathe, buddy. Come on. Are you okay?
Let's say just medic in your area now.
Sit down. You okay? You
Okay,
okay?
I copy.
Breathe. Come on.
Breathe.
Come on.
3 Delta Aircraft
You okay?
Is he okay? Oh my God.
Just stay back for me, okay? Stay back. Just stay back. Just stay back. Just breathe. Just breathe. Needs to lay back. Lay back for me. Lay back. You're okay. Lay back. Lay back.
Help. He's on the way. There's a cruiser involved crash at Central and Vaughn. We're gonna need a medic. Is anyone else in your cruiser? Just you? Okay, are you okay? Right here, let's put gloves on, okay?
Yeah, I'm not getting that intersection.
Central and Broad.
Oh
You okay? It's okay, go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Let's say
buddy.
clear 9101 stop. You know, get you the cruise remote.
Hey, buddy, come on. Come on, buddy. You're okay. You're okay. Just keep breathing, dear. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. You okay? Hey, come on. Keep breathing. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. You okay? Come on. Keep breathing, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Breathe, buddy. Breathe, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Breathe, buddy. Come on. Keep breathing, buddy. Come on.
Okay, I copy.
Breathe, buddy. Come on.
3 Delta Aircraft
I didn't get any pulse.
Copy.
Come on, buddy. Okay, you're good. Come on. Breathe, buddy. 192's cruiser.
Is it just one officer in there?
Yeah. She's over there. She was walking around when I pulled up. Come on, buddy. Keep breathing.
When you want me to go.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, go.
And then there's one of them that's completely shut down. Get a car at State and Central blocking no northbound.
Stay there. Was this a pedestrian?
I don't know.
Car
I haven't checked
further
the
west, 2 one is Guilford and Broad, no eastbound. 1 block from southbound Central at the alley. and then at Hayden and Rod, no westbound.
Hold on, you guys get there.
5-3, I've got the southbound on Central.
Turn around. Go. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, go.
And that's it, we need 2 medics.
194 Aiden Broad Central. Broad and Central, just southwest.
1098 on that pocket, Guilford. No, eastbound, southwest, somebody come with us.
That's there for officer support, please.
Sorry, I'm off to support.
That's it, we
You
have
need to
officer
switch back
support.
in.
9150.
9150 is officer support.
Alright, switch out CPR door there, sir.
Yep.
How many officer support do we need, sir? Anybody that can send any officer support to Central Bridge, come on, Broad.
That's it, we have officer support. And then officers here on scene.
Hey, Ike, do you switch out?
Make sure you stay out of the thing.
Do you want better gloves?
I'm good.
Okay. Do you want to switch out?
Here in a second.
All right. Just let me know.
Right. Up and down Broad. Guilford.
What do you need, Brad and Guilford?
You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. Yep. Come on, buddy.
Okay, yeah, I'm at Brad and Guilford. I can't get
Come
in
on,
front of Wes right now. When I get the else down here, we'll try to get that locked off. Yeah, I noticed I've got some players that you're on Brad, see the health check itself.
Right.
The chief from one fire station was notified.
That's it, I'm here.
Copy, I advise those board to come out.
Just so you guys know, this is a cruiser bomb traffic. That's all. So you can also be checked out. You guys see a pulse or anything?
I didn't get a pulse, so.
Roll. Truck. That's on. You watch for pedestrian traffic or vehicle traffic on the south part of the state.
Copy.
That's it, we have 9